Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang GT guys from year 2015 to currently year 2022. If you need to remove or replace windshield wipers, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. You can get the Bosch guys, the original Bosch wipers are amazing quality and they're way cheaper than the ones that usually you will go to the parts store and they will try to save you. This one comes with all the adapters that will make them work on Ford Mustang, and I love those guys. Even put them right now on a BMW that we're working here in the garage. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. If you need to buy new wipers, tools, parts for your Mustang and want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's explain what we have here and how we are going to replace the wipers. You have to be extremely careful not to break your window because it's really easy to break, guys. So now we're going to lift it up. Okay, perfect, like that. Now we're going to squish on each side, and when you do that, you pull out, guys. Now slowly release it. Even put a towel here, because if you just let go, it will crack your windshield. That's a #1 mistake. Now let's go ahead, do exactly the same thing for this one here, and then we'll explain how we're going to replace them after that. Slowly release them. Perfect, because we, by the way, put a brand new windshield on it a few days ago, and that's why we want to replace the wipers too. So this is the driver's side. Now let's go ahead and open this one and we'll show you guys what we have here. Constantly working on cars, constantly trying to save you money, guys. All we need, please subscribe to the channel. So things are coming out, careful not to scratch your hood. This is guys the wipers. Now that thing will need to come out. Okay, you can see we have a different fittings now, guys. Okay, that will not work, so we need to replace that one, with a different style, in order guys to be able to use it. So what we do, just grab and we pull it out. Perfect, just like that. Now what we need to use, guys, let's find the one that's actually for Ford now, that design. Let me see exactly which one it is. So that's what we are trying to do now, guys. One of them will fit really nice and clean. Okay, so let's focus on the camera work now. Perfect. And right here I'm going to go ahead, install that one now. Perfect. Now let me go ahead and show you. I believe that's the one that we'll be using. We're going to come right here now, guys. I'll lift it up. And here it goes. It will go like that in an angle. I'll squish those. Let me see if this one will fit exactly, or we might need to get the other kind. Let me see exactly which one we'll need, because they have two different kinds that are really close. So this is actually backwards working, guys. A little bit tighter fit, but you go on the back side first, and you have to make sure that it's coming on back side. Then you press in, make sure the tooth locks in place, make sure it's in on both sides, and we're ready to go. We're going to see if they clean in just a second. Let's go ahead, prepare the second one. For this one specifically, 22 for the driver's side, 20 for the passenger. Some people go smaller on the passenger, but I think 20 will fit perfect. We're going to test them, so you know. Let's go ahead. Prepare this one now, and we'll see if that will take care of the problem. So yep, that's the one that we need right here. Pull it out. Now we need to grab that piece. Open it here. I'm going to open it, and we need to take it apart practically, guys. So just grab it here and pull. It is tight. Careful not to bend the wiper. Let me do it quick. Just a little bit inconvenient, but it fits. Now I'm going to get this one. They don't have direction, anything like that, to make sure everything's good. Push it in, lock it in place. Perfect. Now let's go ahead on the other side. I'll come from here. Let's lift it up. Now the back side needs to go first, remember. You slide it in the back, perfect, like that. Then push it over, push in, it locks in place. Let's go ahead, see how much clearance we have on both wipers. Let's see on this side. And we're going to turn them on. Let's turn them on to see how they will move. Perfect, 20 inch is enough, guys. If you go 21, it will be too much. So let's go ahead and see now if they work good. Let's just turn them on. That's all it takes. Oh, that sounds good. Perfect. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Watch how good they clean. It's simply amazing, guys. Amazing results. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.